Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of cantaloupe seeds. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Cantaloupe seeds. Cantaloupe seeds is also called rock melons or muskmelons. They belong to family of Cucurbitaceae that also includes cucumbers, pumpkins, squashes, gourds, and a long list of melons. Cantaloupes have a hollow cavity in their center that is filled with edible seeds. There are many health benefits of taking cantaloupe seeds. Strengthen your immune system. Cantaloupe seeds contain vitamin A and C, which increases the production of white cells in the body. It protects us from many diseases and infections, thus giving the immune system a boost. They are considered to be natural defense mechanism of the body, combating everything from the free radicals to premature aging. Good for your cardiovascular health. Cantaloupe seeds contain potassium and adenosine, which controls the blood pressure of the body, thus maintaining the heart health. It also contains blood thinning properties and prevent the creation of blood clots in the cardiovascular system, preventing any strokes and heart attacks. Combat stress with cantaloupe. Potassium and superoxide dismutase that is found in cantaloupe seeds promote plenty of oxygen to the brain and normalize the heartbeat. It helps to make you feel more relaxed and focused. Cantaloupe seeds also relieve stress by making nerves relaxed. It will prevent the death of cells caused by oxidative stress. Health of the eye. Cantaloupe seeds contain beta-carotene, which help in maintaining the healthy eyesight. It also prevents cataracts and improves the eyesight. Can prevent diabetic nephropathy. Cantaloupe seeds help in treating diabetes and also control the weight of the body. It can help treat insomnia. Cantaloupe seeds calm the anxiety and relieve the nerves. It gets rid of sleeping disorders and soothes the nervous system. Help treat menstrual issues. Cantaloupe seeds are effective in regulating the menstrual flow and relieving menstrual cramps with women. The vitamin A found in cantaloupe seeds reduce the flow of blood and clotting, and it will get rid of other menstrual issues. The cantaloupe is also used sometimes to induce the menstrual cycle. Will aid your weight loss process. Cantaloupe seeds prevent overeating as it takes a lot of time to leave the stomach and enter the digestive tract, thus creating a feeling of fullness for a longer period of time. Thus, it helps in reducing the weight of the body. Good for the gut. Cantaloupe seeds are high in fiber. It is also beneficial for the gut. Cantaloupe seeds can be eaten at any time of the day. It goes well with every food item. Ways to use cantaloupe seeds. Consume them raw. Roast them in the oven to snack on. Toss them into a smoothie. Add some sparkling water to fresh squeezed cantaloupe juice for a delightfully refreshing drink in the warm months of the year. In a blender or food processor, puree cantaloupe and peel soft peaches to make delicious cold soup. Add lemon juice and honey to taste. Top cantaloupe slices with yogurt and chopped mint. Slice melons in half horizontally. Scoop out the seeds and use each half as a basket in which you can serve fruit salad. Uses of cantaloupe seeds will cure a toothache. Take about 6 grams of cantaloupe skin, add some water and let it simmer on low heat until it is fully cooked. After you have set it aside to cool, strain it and use it to rinse your mouth. This remedy will help you in reducing the pain in the tooth. How to buy and store cantaloupe seeds. Buy only ripe melon. After buying cantaloupe, store it in a refrigerator immediately. It can be stored for up to 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Safety profile may hamper sugar levels. Cantaloupe seeds contain 9 grams of sugar in it. So it can increase the blood sugar levels in the body, which is not very beneficial for the diabetic patients. Effect on the gastrointestinal tract. Cantaloupe seeds should be eaten alone. Eating too much cantaloupe seeds can affect the gastrointestinal tract. Risk of missing out on other essential macronutrients. Eating only cantaloupe may miss you out in taking other essential nutrients. Our body needs all nutrients in certain percentage to sustain and be healthy. Eat all types of fruits to get required nutrients for the body. To like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.